Let's read some more words together. Do you recognize any of these pictures? Yeah, I have a jug, a cab, a hen, and a rod. What does this say? N. Hen. So we'll put it with a picture of the hen. What does this say? Jug. Jug. It goes with the jug. That's right. It says jug. What does this say? Cab. 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 So we'll put that with the cab. And what does this say? Rod. 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 So you read jug, cab, hen, and rod. Let's try with some different pictures. What pictures do I have now? I have can, 6, mud, and bin. What does this say? Ix. Ix. 6. We'll put that with the 6. What does this say? Mud. 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 We'll put it with the picture of the mud. What does this say? Can. 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 We'll put it with the picture of the can. And what does this say? In. In. Bin. So you read can, 6, mud, and bin. Thanks so much for coming to read with me. I can't wait to see you soon. Bye.